Hello, this is Miss Mansky with your mini lesson for this week. Once again, we are practicing our comprehension. I hope you had a good week of digital learning and have a good weekend this weekend. Let's get started. Just a refresher. So, main idea is the point of a paragraph. It is the most important thought about the topic. So, authors are always trying to say something with the things that they write. The main idea is what they're trying to say. Supporting details describe or explain the main idea of the text. These can be a bunch of different things. They could be examples, statistics, opinions, facts, anything the author provides that supports the main idea that they are sharing with the reader. And last week we talked about how main idea can be compared to this ice cream cone. So main idea is like the cone. It is the main thing that holds the details in place. Without the main idea, the details don't have any point. They don't make any sense. Just like a cone without ice cream doesn't make a whole lot of sense. And then the details are like the scoops of ice cream. They support the main idea. They give the main idea purpose. So first we're going to look at this text about farming and look at the main idea and the supporting details in the text. So, farming allowed Native American people to grow more food. However, they had to stay in one place to tend their gardens. As a result, people began living in larger, permanent villages. Populations grew and developed more complicated governments. Because they lived in large groups, people could also develop more specific skills. So, in this passage, the main idea is that farming had many effects for Native American people. And we know this because all of the details that the author provides, so people began living in larger permanent villages, populations grew and developed more complicated governments, people developed more specific skills, all of these details are examples of the effects described in that main idea. So, what you're going to do today is we're going to use this passage on cells and identify some information about this passage. So, here's what the passage sounds like. There are many trillions of cells in your body. There are several hundred types of cells, each with its own job. Nerve cells send signals through your body. Sensory cells help you see, hear, touch, taste, and smell the world around you. Blood cells carry oxygen and fight infections. Without these many cells, your body would not work. So here is an example of a supporting detail from the text. Nerve cells send signals through your body. Your responsibility is, in your exit ticket today, to identify what the other supporting details are in this passage, as well as the main idea. So question one says, what is the main idea? Remember, that is what the text is mostly about, the topic the author is talking about. And then what are two supporting details from the text that prove this is the main idea? So these are in addition to this detail that you already have about nerve cells. What are two other supporting details that prove this is the main idea? Okay, that is all I have for you today. I hope you have a good weekend, and I will talk to you next week. Goodbye.